Hi friends, in this session we are going to learn how to write a C program to print a multiplication table. So multiplication table is a simple program, right? But here we are going to satisfy four conditions. The first one, in a proper format. You can see here the table number 19 printed in 3 spaces and the multiplication symbol in 3 spaces and the multiplier printed in 3 spaces equal to printed in 3 spaces and the product is printed in 3 spaces. Proper exact format. There is no mess up anywhere and there is no confusion anywhere. Most important condition, single line of code. We are not going to write this program in multiple lines of code but in a single line of code, and we are not going to use any loop, for loop, while loop or do while loop, and we are also not going to use even a semicolon symbol in a C program. So how to satisfy all these four conditions? So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notifications for many such tips and tricks and tutorials. Let us dive into the code. Here I am writing the basic skeleton, include standard input output.h header file and the main function. For this program I am taking the argument int I, and this I is nothing but the number of command line arguments. If you are not going to give any argument, the program name itself is one argument, so it will take as 1. We should not use any loop, so I am using the if condition. Before that I am taking a macro define n19. This is for 19th table. If you want another table, you can change this number. If I less than or equal to 19, and I am taking a compound end operator, then I am printing the table. Print %3d %3d %3d. The first we have to print the table number, that is 19, and then we have to print the multiplier I, and then we have to print the product n into I. So first %3d, it will take 3 spaces to print 19, and the next %3d, it will take 3 spaces to print the multiplier, which is initially 1, that is 19 into 1 equal to the final %3d to print the n into I product, that is 19 1 ja 19. But how it will repeat till 10 or 12? Here let us take 10 or 12. So this is for the multiplier. So 9 1 ja 9 2 ja 9 3 ja, like that until 9 12 ja. I am again using a compound end operator, and then I am calling the main again with incrementing I. So initially I is equal to 1, it will print 19 1 ja 19, and main will be called with 2, so I is equal to 2 here. So 19 2 ja 38. Next time main will be called with 3, like that until I less than or equal to 12. The moment it is 13, it will come out of this if condition. Here we should not use any semicolon, so I am closing the if condition with curly brackets. Also let us give the \n to print each time in a different line. Let us run and see the output. So you can see the multiplication table got printed in a proper format. 3 spaces to print the table number, 3 spaces for x multiplication symbol, 3 spaces for the multiplier, 3 spaces for the equal to symbol, and 3 spaces for the product. So proper format, single line of code, there is no loop and there is no semicolon. I want to remind you, please subscribe to this channel with bell icon so that you will get notifications for the video tutorials, live sessions, and also the coding competitions. Thank you so much.